What's up, YouTube? Here we are again already for another video. This time we have a customer who's also a colleague, but anyway, a customer with a Mercedes ML350, and the temperature is not coming up to optimum temperature, normally around 90 degrees. So that means we have here a thermostat issue, and that's exactly what we're gonna try to do. Should not be too hard. There's only one bolt back there which is a bit complicated for access, but we'll give it a try and we'll see what we can do. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on my forehead and continue. Very well, so the car has been resting for a few hours. It's still not completely cold, but we'll try to survive like this, huh? This is anyway a bit, let's say, a bit more involved than I thought, so we might have to remove this part. How is this if we do? And this actually comes from here and is there. I think there's a bolt also here somewhere. Anyway, let's see. If we don't have to, that's the best. There's this pipe here, yeah, it connects over there, and then it's also coming down here. What we have, yeah, this pipe we can already disconnect from here. Here we go. So this gives us some room. This is already disconnected here for some reason. Seems like someone broke this. No problem. Now this will have to come out. I'll get some rags, and then there's that bolt over there, which I already tried last time to unbolt this, so I know it's possible. And this probably also comes out. My only concern is this one here, but there's a bracket over there, and if removing that bolt is enough to move that bracket, then that bolt shouldn't be an issue. But these bolts seem very small, very short, so if that bolt is also very short, it also shouldn't be an issue. So maybe we're lucky. Let's see. I'm gonna start by opening this guy slowly. Okay. So pressure is off. How's the level? Level is okay. I have new coolant, of course, because we might need to fill it up a bit. What do we have? Yes, not much. Not much. So I guess I'll try. I'm gonna start with that bolt over there and see what happens. If necessary, I guess I can also pull this out of the way. Yeah, I have to actually. So let's see if I can. What is this? I don't know what this is, but I know it's quite loose. So let's see. Ooh, that hurts. So that's not coming out like that so easily. Let me get the plier. Oops, I did it off camera. But anyway, with this plier I pulled this clip out and this hose came out without any issue. So that's part of the topic. Let's see if we can get this bolt out without major issues. I'm curious, but trying is for free, right? So let me get the tool for that. Okay, last time I used a combination of this yeah, it's still loose enough, so I'll just continue, I guess. Magnetized tray to the rescue. Let's put it here somewhere stable. Is there a stable place? Stable. This is stable enough. And let's continue. So, what is this guy doing? Can I rotate it just with my hands like this? No, not yet. Not yet. A little bit, but not yet. So I definitely don't want to lose the bolt there. So I think I'm also gonna get my magnet, but I don't think that's needed yet. Let's just continue like this a little bit. How far is it now? Ah, it's a lot further. Yes, I can rotate it better now. But I'm afraid it's going to fall somewhere. There's really very little room here. Should be okay, I think. But let me get already my magnet just in case. So, I have my magnet ready. This is all aluminum. Interesting, but the bolts are definitely magnetized. So, let's continue with this operation. I'm not able to rotate it anymore. So let's use this guy again. And again. Okay, it's rotating. Oh, I'll do the rest off camera. Okay, so just for information, and just as I feared, this bolt is coming right into this pipe here. So I'm gonna try to undo that bracket. I have to remove this hose here, so I'm gonna lose the coolant here. But that's the way. I mean, I don't see another way. So let's do that and see if we can move this hose. So if I undo that bracket, I'm hoping I can move this hose just enough that we can get that bolt out. Let's see. So a lot more coolant than I expected came out, but I'm already removing this bolt to see if we can get that bracket. Oh my god, everything has to be hard. Is this, at least it's magnetized. So, oh no, this is not moving at all. So how do I, is there another bracket over there? This goes here, all the way here. There's this bracket. This is not moving so easily. Is there something I'm not seeing? Because it's this. Oh my goodness. I need a chair. I did quite a bit off camera now just because I'm a bit stressed, and then I don't push the record button. I removed these two bolts here so that I have access to this bolt, and now this pipe ends here and it's just fitted in. So I'm kind of hopeful that when I remove this bolt, which is a Torx T30, if I'm able to push this charge pipe out of the way, I should be home free. Come on, bolt. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Just come off without any issues, please. So, now, this guy. Ooh, okay. I'm able to wiggle it, but not pull it off. Yes, I am. Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh, I'm a happy man. Happy man. Ooh, careful with this. Yes. This one didn't come out, so this is great. Okay, well, now I'm home free, huh? Now I'm home free. So this is out. Let's make sure I don't lose this. Where should I put this? I'll keep it here. Now, what do we have to do? Untighten this one. Now it's easy. Now everything is easy. Right? Let's make sure we don't drop anything in there. First of all, drag here. And now, what is this guy? Is it also torque stand? Yes.
Jimmy, I'm sure all the men listening will agree the band is performing.
Let's do this.
Style of music is like style of girls' clothes, always changing. How much attention do you give to style changes in the band?
So, not yet.
The style of our playing is gradually changing. We don't do it deliberately.
This should be enough. Still not.
Or change the combination of instruments. Our style changes somewhat. But judge for yourself. Here are two numbers. First,
I don't want to drop it.
as we played it a year ago.
Still not. Wow.
Very popular current
But I have this here just in case.
Now all you got to do is band get in the mood for 19
Okay, now for sure.
going to play his most popular number of 1930.
And now, am I able to wiggle this out of the way enough? Not sure if enough. So this guy is being pulled up all the way from there. Is there something like except for that? Is there something in the way? This. I can also unbolt this one. Okay. Well, I can try to unbolt this one as well. Let's see what happens. Where did I put this one? This one is this one, right? Yes. I think so. Yes. Yes, okay. So this one over here, these are the fuel lines. Let me take that one as well. Okay, just as I was about to give up, I realized this pipe needs to come off so that we have enough flex on this one, and the bolt is out. So now the thermostat is also out. My goodness. Made it. Oh, there's a bit of a rattle. So now the new thermostat, let me get the... So now the new thermostat, oh, now it's windy, of course. The new thermostat is gonna go in. Hopefully this fixes the issue. And yeah, hopefully I can build this everything back together, but I have the videos and it should just be the reverse of what we did so far. So honestly, I don't want to do this on camera. I had enough stress, but at least this is out, and hopefully this will fix the issue for my colleagues. So I hope you liked this video. Yeah, take care, see you next time.